Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. Today we are going to discuss the SQL aggregate functions. As of now, so important thing, it's called sum, average, count, minimum, maximum, and so on. Whenever you like the channel, please subscribe, share with others. So first of all, we know what is aggregate function. Aggregate function is a function where the values of multiple rows are grouped together to form a single value of more significant meaning or measurement such as a set or a list. So with the help of aggregate function, we can do lot of things, perform lot of things and find the things. Whatever we want, if we have, suppose we have some table where you can find the information very easily. There will be some aggregate function like count is the sum, average, minimum and maximum. So before going with some example, let's see what is the use of count. This is one function that returns the total number of values in a given column. And with sum, as of the name says, it returns the sum of the numerical values in a given column. Average saying it returns the average value of a given column. Minimum saying it returns the smallest value in a given column. And maximum saying it returns the largest value in a given column. For count, the syntax is simple. That is called select count, column name, in bracket you can write from table name where condition. Next, average. Syntax is select average of column name from table name where condition. And sum, you can use the sum function always returns the total sum of the column. Syntax is select sum of column name from table name where condition. So just we can add the name, function name and utilization computer from the table DBMS. And minimum, select minimum of column name from table name where condition. Maximum, select maximum column name from table name where condition. And let's assume that you have a table called order table consists of infos like order detail, ID, order ID, product ID, quantity, probable quantity like this there. So when I use the query, select the sum of quantity from order details. That is a table name. So what will happen once you execute the query? It display information like number of records is 1 here and sum of quantities 1 2 7 4 3 like that. So this is a way how we can use the select the sum. Then example 2, select average of price from products. It will say execute the query, it will say the information number of records is 1 and average price is 28.86. Let's say another example to understand some other aggregate functions. Let's assume that you have a table called product ID, name, supply ID, category ID, unit and price like this. So let's go for the queries here. Select a minimum price as smallest price from products. That in the query, the answer is number of records is 1 and smallest price is 2.5. As I say in this about table, you can execute it. At last, we can use select maximum price as largest price from products. Then when you execute the query, display information on number of records is 1, largest price is 263.5. Like that, you can use the aggregate functions. Thank you for watching the video.